everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for 800 subscribers. Now we are a family of 800 and I cannot express how happy I am. Soon I hope I reach 1k subscribers. Also, now you might be wondering, who is this little girl, little cute girl who is sitting next to me? So I would like to ask her to introduce herself. After that, I'll introduce. So let us see what she will introduce about her. So introduce yourself.
I'm Shivani. I'm cousin sister of Pooja. So today I'm very excited to do my
To do?
sister
To do my, okay, correct.
to do her makeup.
Yes.
So
Okay, so you all might have read by the title that she is going to do my makeup. Tell them what's your age.
I'm 12 years old.
She is 12 years old, and can you imagine she is going to do my makeup? I am excited and nervous at the same time because I don't know what. Thank you so much for always being so supportive. So I've given her my entire makeup vanity. Enough of talking. I'm too excited, so let's just get started.
So I'm using the foundation first.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
My dad is peeping from the window there.
And
He's also excited, but nobody is supposed to come inside the room. I can see him peeping from there. Okay. So meanwhile, it will be boring if she just does the makeup and then it. So I thought we'll do a mini Q&A. So I'll ask her some questions, and meanwhile she'll also be asking me questions. So first question I'll be asking, what do you want to become after you grow up? Like, what's your goal or ambition, Shivani?
I want to be.
What do you
I
want to?
have not decided still.
Okay,
No.
she has not
Means
decided.
I have many of this
Options. She has so many options. She has like so many things in mind. So she has not decided, right? Any one thing at least that you want to become?
First, I was wanted to become photographer. After
Oh wow, photographer,
then
nice.
It changed. Then I want to become chef.
Chef, oh nice. See, this is what the generation gap is. Whenever we were little, we used to always say doctor, yeah, engineer. But she is so smart. She wants to become a photographer and then chef and then what else? Okay, now she's applying concealer. Show them the
Con- This is concealer.
Yeah, this is the L'Oreal Paris concealer. Then tell me, what about chef, photographer, and oh, she even knows where to apply it properly. Wow. She's like ಅದವ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಶ್ರವಣ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ
Enough. Yeah, enough. Done. Okay. Yeah. Then. Okay, so she asked me what I want to become when I grow up. I'm already like half grown up. When I was little, I wanted to become a psychiatrist. I don't know for what reason I wanted to become a psychiatrist. She's slowly asking me what is psychiatrist. Psychiatrist is nothing but, have you watched Aptamitra movie? Aptamitra movie ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ? Huh?
No.
She is the only Indian kid who has not watched Aptamitra. Aptamitra ನಾಗವಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದು
ನಾಗವಲ್ಲಿ
ನಾನು
movie.
ಹಾಫ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂಗೆ ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಸೈಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡವ ಎಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದ ಫುಲ್ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೈಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂತ
Now what you want to become?
Now I want to become, I just want to have money, that much only. All I want is money, that's it. But I want to become a nice, good YouTuber. If I get an opportunity, I want to get into acting. I want to start my own business. There are lots of dreams. I don't know which one I'm going to pursue, but yeah, I'll become something. Okay, next question I'll ask her. What's your favorite food?
It's
Now we are done with the concealer. Okay, next step is powder, but my rose powder is all, I guess it's out or somewhere. Right now we are using this powder, normal talcum powder. Show them. Yeah, Yardley powder. So she'll be applying that. Okay, Shivani's favorite food, tell us.
it's
What's your favorite food?
It's veg fried rice.
Wow, you like veg fried rice. Why not non-veg?
No, I don't like it.
She is not my sister in that case. I am such a big fan of non-veg food and she doesn't like non-veg so much. No, actually, she belongs to this family more than me. She's going to do eye makeup. I've given her this palette, which is brand new. She is only using it for the first time, so I just hope it goes well. So this is eyeshadow, and there are other palettes also. So whichever she wants, she'll use it. Okay, at least tell them what look have you planned. Yeah, the look, another specific look. You're just going on doing.
I'm going on doing.
Yeah, she'll just go on doing. There is no specific look. Tell them which color you're using.
Which is that color? Red something.
Reddish pink. Yeah, it's somewhat reddish pink. So she's going to use that.
I'm going to use two colors by the way.
Okay, she's going to mix two colors. Hello, Amma. I have lens inside. Gottundalla. No, you can use color, but just be little gentle. One color done. She literally applied one color and then she's like, Idu beda. She doesn't want now. I just hope my eyes are looking like normal. Why he is laughing? Okay, I can see Shravan laughing. I'm nervous now. But it's okay, Shivani. Nengenta bekadu madaita. This is normal Maybelline kajal. Okay. Careful, please. Kajal done.
I'm going to apply eyeliner inside.
That is from inside. Okay, apply. Okay, eyeliner is done. Okay, now she's going to apply blush and it's from some eyeshadow palette. Question. Shravan, do you want to ask any question to her? Highlighter. This is some random highlighter that I bought. Okay, apply. It's also a baking powder, so you can use it both. But now you apply it as highlighter.
Okay, do you watch movies?
Okay, Shravan is asking questions now. Okay, what's your question?
Do you watch movies?
Yeah, sometimes.
Who is your favorite film star?
Ajay Devgan.
Oh,
Ajay Devgan and heroine
Heroine?
Pooja. Lips. Okay, she's going with lips, and she's going to apply Nivea
Nivea lip balm.
lip balm. Okay. Okay, next question. Shravan is asking actually nice questions. Like
okay. Which is your favorite film? I think Shivani has not
Tanaji.
told.
Oh, Shivani's favorite film is
Tanaji.
Tanaji. I guess there is so much of generation gap. Oh my god. Okay, ಯಾಕೆ Tanaji ಇಷ್ಟ?
ತುಂಬಾ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೇ
ನಮ್ಮ
Patriotic.
ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ oh god, patriotism. She is like one proper Indian idol kid, I guess. Doesn't like makeup. He's so patriotic and then doesn't eat
Sanskari.
non-veg and sanskari. I just
Eh,
hope
not
she's
sanskari.
yeah, not
Little
so
sanskari.
sanskari,
Little
but I just hope she stays the same till like what is that? In her 20s and 30s. Okay, lip liner. Lip liner done. What is she doing? I can literally feel the lipstick going outside my lip.
Now I'm going to ask you a question. Who is your favorite YouTuber?
My favorite YouTuber is me.
No.
Okay, my favorite YouTuber is. Let this lipstick get over. My favorite YouTuber is mostly Sane and Ashish Chanchlani. And Ashish Chanchlani is a favorite. She's like a die-hard fan of Ashish Chanchlani. And third is Mridul Sharma. I just look up to her so much. How did I forget? Ashna Egdi is also my favorite YouTuber. Who is your favorite YouTuber?
Assistant Shivani.
One more. Huh? You don't like me? Huh?
Okay.
Tell only then.
Okay,
Now.
Assistant Shivani and you.
This is not forcefully, guys. She likes me, okay? Okay, next is, this is from Mac. Show them and then just start applying.
This.
Okay, sit and apply, okay?
Any favorite moment?
What is your favorite moment, Shivani?
Thing when I get school prizes.
Oh, okay, tell me one prize which you got.
A Rangoli
Then?
and handwriting.
Oh, you have a good handwriting.
Yeah. First LKG to first standard I got
Guys, she also used to get prizes for handwriting. Even I used to get prize for handwriting.
every family.
Yeah, every
Even
family has.
me.
Simply.
Even me.
Okay, Shravan also used to.
From
I guess it's
second standard to 10th standard I got.
simply.
Yes, I got.
Yeah? How
Yeah.
about- Oh, this is like one family thing, guys.
Yeah.
Everybody's getting prizes for handwriting. And now if you see my handwriting, people will take back the prize they
Mine
gave.
is as it
Mine is also
Same.
as it is.
That
But,
school
now-
alella hagene. ನೀನು PUC degree start ಮಾಡು. That time I guess PUC degree and all the post graduation students can relate how their handwriting was nice when it was in PUC and all. And then later it will just become like this and all. It starts dancing. So,
I think eyeshadow is little better. I think.
what happened? You should,
I
have, you should have used this.
No, eyeshadow is little better. Like,
Yeah, okay. Eyeshadow is little better now, it seems. Let us see. She wants to apply highlighter. In hand only, in fingers only you put, it's fine. You can smile. Done?
yeah.
Okay, so finally we are done with the makeup.
Thank you.
And this, okay, she wants to admire this.
Huh.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. So finally we are done with the makeup, and I don't know, I still do not know how it has turned out. So I would want to see. So before that, what do you want to say about this makeup look? Before I see, do you want to tell anything? Don't tell me anything about like how it is looking and all. But like you, are you proud of this makeup look? Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. She's proud. She's such a cutie. She's proud. And now let's see how it has turned out.
Let's mirror. Wait, I
3, 2, 1, go.
will.
Okay, sure. Oh my God! What? Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, it's nice, but okay. I'll tell you all. Eyeshadow.
Wait,
It's actually good. Like eyeshadow, she has done it really well. But eyeliner, it's actually very irritating. Like I also face this problem when I do. Here, it's little like somewhat it is like went wrong here. And eyeshadow, it's good. Like somewhat, I love the eyeshadow part. And lips, I don't know what has happened here. Oh God, there's lipstick in my teeth. Okay, lips closer. Please don't get frightened, guys. This is me. It's nice, but for her at 12 years of age, this is like a great thing. Very good. Well done. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Show them the close up. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all enjoyed this cute little girl. Did you enjoy this makeup, doing this makeup? Now finally your ass is like done, no, your wish. Because she wanted to do my makeup since like a very long time. And now finally she's done. Finally I'm happy that her one wish is like fulfilled. And what do you want to say to my subscribers or like my viewers? Any message you want to give them?
Yeah, do like.
Oh yeah, only like
Like, share.
yeah,
Then-
like, share, comment and subscribe.
Subscribe.
I'll see you in my next video. So until then,
Lots of
lots of love. Bye bye. Okay. So now that we are done with the makeup, I will call one by one. Like Shravan has already seen, so there's no point of calling him. But I'll call Suhas, who is Shivani's own elder brother, and I'll call him and I'll ask him how has this come out. Okay, Suhas.
Was
3, 2, 1, go. How is this?
Good.
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 Did she pay you money or something to tell like this?
Nana.
But how? Seriously, this is nice, sir.
Okay.
I guess she has told some.
I think he has not seen makeup before.
Okay, yeah, he is not into makeup and all so much, so it's fine. He has told it's good. It's fine. Okay, it's time to call my mom. She will obviously give the honest opinion. Amma, bale, ule, inchatan. 3, 2, 1, go.
ಓ ದಾದ ಮಾರೇರಿ ಒಂದು
ಭೂತದ
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಡ ಅಂದ್
ಮತ್ತ
ಭೂತದ
ಸುಹಾಸ್ ಪಾಪ ಪೋಡಿಗೆಡೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಗುಡ್ ತೂಲೆಗೆ ಶಿವಾನಿನ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಇಂಚ
ನಿಜ ಐಲೈನರ್ ಪೂರ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆತಡು
eyeliner pura spread ಆತನ ಹಾ then
Spread.
ಓವರಾಲ್ ಆತದ ಅಲ್ಲ ಶೋಕ ಆತಜಿ ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಏಜ್ ಲಿಮಿಟಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್
yeah. So for her age limit, mom is saying that this is good. Nice, good comments. Okay, then who else? So second one was my mom. She has given the honest opinion. Now the last one is my sister. She's going to come and give me her opinion. Shishmita. Yeah. Okay, she's here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Not bad for a 7th standard kid.
7th standard, you know. Okay.
Honest opinion is okay. It's a basic Halloween kind of what to say. It's like if you're going to train someone for Halloween makeup, this will be the basic of it. Like just basics.
Okay, there only nicely she covered it up. She wanted to praise and also she wanted to give her honest opinion also. She's telling that this looks like Halloween makeup. Yeah.
Yeah,
then-
basic of like Halloween.
Yeah,
Like if somebody is going to learn how to do Halloween makeup, you can probably the simple Halloween makeup if they
If
want to.
disappointment had a face.
Disappointment plus encouraging. Like
Yeah.
encouragingly
But for a
disappointing.
12 years old kid, this is like a big thing, no?
It's actually nice. Maybe it's your face.
Huh? Okay, now everybody is blaming on my face, huh? Okay, that was
Okay,
like...
maybe it's your face or who gave her all these colors, like all
No,
the
she only
palettes and
chose.
everything. But it's very nice. Good job. High five. Yeah.
Okay, your opinions, at least for me, for taking this big risk of, risking my face to with this kid, you all have to like subscribe and make me reach 1000, alva? Tell 1000 subscribers bekunta.
Make it 1000 subscribers, please. Subscribers. Subscribers.
Yes. See you in my next video. So until adala heli aitalla. Okay, done. That is already done. I'll edit and put.